nice little battle for about 2 pounds.
What, 2 pounder?
2 pounds.
2 pounder?
That'd be a good tournament bass with a boat full of those. Good start. Hey, let's go there to call fish on the creek.
Oh, fuck. Better change my worm. We're down here in the log city. Caught one, cuz. Caught one. Yep. Little sticko. One of the tree basses. Yeah, the hook's not hung up on it. Ow, hook's not all hooked. It didn't even hook the hook. The line got stuck on it.